Hello friends, welcome to Build Learning Club. Welcome to another interesting tutorial. Here in this tutorial I will see you how can you send email automatically by Python by Gmail. So this video is going to be amazing. Before making this video I never thought it would work, but it worked friends. Let's see. So here I don't use any PyAuto GUI. Here just I use Selenium and other package. So just let's see how it's work. So just run the Python program and let's see. Yeah friends, it works with automatically. And here in this video I will explain everything, how it's work and where you expect to error. So you will know everything. If you don't know about Selenium, then don't worry, I will make you understand very easily. So it's this is friends, it works automatically, you can see it. Okay friends, you can see the sent message and message already sent by automatically. Just go to Gmail and check it. Here I just open the Gmail and check it's work or not. Here, yeah, I got the mail. Okay, it's completely work. So let's start this amazing tutorial and don't forget to subscribe my channel. So let's start. So at first open the VS Code editor, open whatever you have and now create a Python file name send email.py, and now you have to install two packages. First undetected Chrome driver and next Selenium. So for this just go to Google and search for undetected Chrome driver Python and just go to pypi site and copy it, and now open cmd, open the command prompt and just install the package. In my case already satisfied, and now you have to install the Selenium. Just go to the Google and now just search for Selenium, and now just Selenium Python package, and just go to pypi site and copy this, and now open the command prompt and now paste it and install the Selenium. In my case already satisfied, and now just open the code editor. At first you have to import the undetected Chrome driver. So just type import undetected Chrome driver as you see, undetected Chrome driver, and now just import by from Selenium WebDriver common. So just type from from Selenium, from Selenium dot WebDriver dot common, and then dot by import by. So by is in capital B, and now uh, I will import the time also, import time, because I want to use time dot sleep, so that's why I import time here. So now just create an object named driver, driver, and driver equal uc dot chrome, and then just type use subprocess, and this is boolean value true, and now just type driver and driver dot get, and then you have to type the website address that mail.gmail.com. So here just type website address and https https, and you can copy it directly from Google, mail.google dot com, https and mail dot google dot com. Okay, this is the web address, and let me check it will work or not. So just open the Chrome and paste it. Yes, it will work. So after that, now create another object, username field, username underscore field, username field equal driver dot find element, find element driver dot find element, and find element by id, just type by, remember b is in capital, by dot id, and then just type the name of the id. I will show you. Just open the Chrome browser and go to mail.google.com, and now this page will open. So just right click and inspect. So you can see here what is the id. You can see here id is the identifier field. I just zoom in. Identifier, you can see it here, id equal to identifier id. So just type this id, and the name of the id is identifier id. I just directly copy from here, edit with html, and this is the id, and copy and paste it here, identifier id, and then just type username field dot send keys, and send keys, that means the input, what you want to input, that means what the email id. So here just type your email id. So I just type my email id, t with bhaskar 13 @gmail.com. You can use here python input, but here I directly type it, t with bhaskar 13 @gmail.com, and now just type driver dot find element, and you have to find this element next. So just right click on it and inspect. This is the next, it is on inside the span tag. So just type find element, and then just type by dot xpath. Here it is the xpath, and now just find it by span tag. So please, here you have to type slash slash, then the tag name is span, 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 and then just give a third bracket, and inside the third bracket just type whatever text. So here the text is next, next, obviously n is in capital, remember. So just type text, 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 and then just give a fast bracket and text equal next, next. So n is in capital, next, next. and just close the invited comma. And okay, this is fine. And then you have to click on this next button. So just for this, type dot click. Okay. And now here I use time slip because I want to see the all step, and sometimes the website need time to load. So here I use time.sleep and time.sleep 10 seconds, and then just type driver.find element, and after that here you just type driver.find element. So actually let me some time putting my email here, t with Bhaskar 13 @gmail.com, and click on next. When I click on next, so here I want to click this more way to sign in, because sometimes the Google will send you mobile pop-up. So here direct instead of directly enter your password, just click on more way to sign in. So for this, just right click on it and inspect the element. Okay, this is also inside the span tag. And now just type driver dot find element and the find element by the span tag. So I actually copy it and paste it here. Simple. And just change this text value to what you know. So the value text value is more ways to sign in. Copy from here, edit HTML, more way to sign in. Just copy it and paste it here. More way to sign in. Remember, every character should be matched. And when you click this, more way to sign in, then this page will open. Now you have to click enter your password. So for that, here I use the sleep again, time.sleep, time dot sleep, and again here I use the 10 second. And now just find element by expect. Again I copy this and paste it here. And now this time I have to click on enter your password. So here just inspect the element, enter your password. So edit with HTML, copy it and paste it here instead of this. And now I use again time.sleep 10 second. So copy it, paste it here. So now just open the edge and now just click on enter your password. Now you have to put here the password. So this is challenging. So here just you have to use the implicitly wait for the web browser. So for this, just here just type driver, driver, and driver driver dot implicitly wait for 5, and then just copy this line and paste it here. And here I use the by dot name. I will show you here. Just inside the enter your password, right click and inspect, and you can see the input tag, and the name of the input tag is password. Here you can see password password. So just find element by name Instead of expect, here I use the name, and the name is password. So just remove this, and here just type password. Password. This is the name tag. Password password. All are in small letter, and not click here. Just you have to the send key, and send key, and here inside the inverted comma you have to type your password, but I will import my password from another file, so I will do it later. Okay, so just the next line I just use the implicitly wait again, and then I used time dot sleep because for the every step I want to see what's happening. So time dot sleep, and sleep for 5 seconds. And now just after putting the password you have to click on the next button. So just inspect this element, and it is inside the span tag, and the text is next. So this is very simple. You have to copy this line, driver dot find element by xpath, and click on next, and just type here, paste here, sorry, and next. Again, after clicking on next, I use time dot sleep for loading the web browser. Time dot sleep for 10 seconds. Okay, so just save it, and here let me put my password. Okay, so here just I put my password, and now click on next. So that's why I type there time dot sleep for 10 seconds. Okay, now you have to click on the compose. So now after this, here you have to click on the compose. So compose. Well, now this is very easy. Driver dot find element, and obviously by xpath. Here just right click on it. Okay, so where the compose is, this thing here inside the deep tag, here is the compose. Obviously C is in capital, remember. So here just copy this line, copy any line, this line copy, and paste it here. Driver dot find element by xpath, and here the tag is div, not span. Div tag, and the text is compose, and C is in capital. POSE. COMPOSE. Compose, and then click, and then just here I use time dot sleep for 5 seconds. So you can use it or not, it's up to you. So click on compose. Okay, it will not work, so I have to maximize this. Click on compose. Okay, so the window is open. Now it is the two field, it is the subject field, and it is the text box. So now just inspect this, and what is the class of this field? Okay, let me show you. The class is AFW or something. You can see, you cannot see here, sorry, but you can see on your computer. So just I find this field by class. So just follow what I type here. just type driver dot find element by expect compose here. Okay, okay, so just obviously copy this line, and now after that here paste it, and before paste it I use implicitly wait here, and just type this implicitly wait for 5 seconds, and driver dot find element, and the class name I find this by class name, and class name is AG capital P. So here it is slightly impossible to show you, but yeah, the class name is AGP. Just follow what I type here. Find by, not expect, find by class name, and type whatever the class name. So I note the class name. So AG and capital P. It is the class name. And now after selecting this, just you have to use the send key and just type the email address of the recipient. That means to. So just click on compose. So here you have to the email address wherever you have to send the file. So I want to send the file in another email ID, and obviously this is my email ID, another email ID, coffee with Bhaskar 13 @gmail.com. Now again use the implicit wait, so after that here I use time dot sleep for 3 seconds. You can use it, you cannot use it, it up to you, it's completely up to you. Time dot sleep. Okay, so after that driver driver dot find element, just to copy this, driver dot find element, and find element by name. Again, the name of this field, subject field, is subject box. So you can inspect, you can see the name. I just type here directly find element by name, and just give here the name, subject box subject, all are in small letter, and now dot send key, and just type what is the subject of email. So here I just create a variable sub equal to subject of the email, and subject of the email is testing, and now here use this suv variable. So after that here I use implicit wait again, and then use time dot sleep. You can use it, you cannot use it, it's completely up to you, I already said it. And now when you type the subject and the recipient, now fill this text box. So again just find by div element. Here you can see here, just okay, it's hard to inspect this element because whenever I minimize it will vanish. So just follow what I type here, and find element by div. sorry, not by div, by expect. And here the find element by div. Here I use the div and just copy that. Always copy and paste, copy and paste, copy and paste. Okay, so instead of text, just type add rate role, 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 and role equal what? Role equal text box. So inside deep tag there is attribute name role and the value of role is text box. You can see when you inspect the element text text box text box. Don't worry, I will put the code in inside the Telegram group. You can take it from there, text box, and then send keys. And you have to send keys. That means you have to fill the text box. So here I create another variable body, body of the mail, and this is for testing, testing. Please subscribe the learning club. Please subscribe the learning club and you will get more interesting videos in future. So just send key and here type body, and now after fill the all form you have to click on send. Okay, so this send is inside a div tag. So for this just here I use implicitly wait and also I use time.sleep. You can use it, you cannot use it, it's completely up to you. And then just type driver dot find element. I will copy and paste it here, and by expect and deep tag here just type text. And what is the text? Text name is, here is a button, is the sent s will be in capital, so just type ACN send instead of text box. SEN. Okay, so now here I use time dot sleep and sleep for 10 seconds, and then the program has sent. So here I use driver dot close, and before close here I just want a print statement. Print program program has ended. End. Okay. So now here I have to put the password where I think this is the send key password. So here I have to put the password for this. So here create a new file pass pass wd dot py, and here create a class and class name is password, and just type here password. Password is the object, and now just type here what is your password. Okay, so now after this go to the send mail, your Python function, and here just type, I think I have to save it, and now just here from passwd import password. Password is the class, and here send key, inside send key These nine. Find element by name, password. You have to input the password. Password dot password. You can directly input the password here by a string, but here I use the class, and here I have stored my password. So you have to type here the password. Okay. So I have already typed my password inside this folder, and the object is password, and inside the object I have stored my password, whatever your password it is. So now, okay, so this is completely ready, and save it and run it. Mm, okay, working. Okay, so now it's working. Yes, here I use time.sleep. Absolutely working. So now enter your password. It will work for sure. No exception. Enter your password. Okay, so span tag. So here is an exception. Enter your password. And line number where? Line number 17. Enter your password. This is not matched. Why this is not matched? Enter your password. Uh, Text and enter your password. ENTER, enter your PASSWORD, enter your password. Let me check. Uh, just sign out and another account. T masker 13 @gmail.com. Now next and sign in. Enter your password. Okay, inspect. So here this uh, this is not a span tag. Okay. Mm, Here it is the name is password. Name field is password. Line number 17, find element by text, enter your password. Okay, after that, by name field is password. Enter your password, it is not match. That means here, enter your password. Inspect, inspect this element, enter your password. Inside deep, yes, it is inside deep, enter your password. ENTERYOUR enter your password. So in line number 17. Okay, so this is a deep tag actually, I think. Yeah, it is a deep tag. So it is not span, it is a deep tag. Okay, so now test again. Run it. Okay, it's working. Now it's working. Enter your password. Now more ways to sign in. More ways to sign in. Now the click on enter your password. I think this time it will work. Hmm, just wait. Yes, it's work. Now enter your password. So yes, it's work. And then yes, it's work. Okay, so far it's okay. Yes, absolutely right. It's completely automatically. Okay, so subject and now body, and then yeah, yes. It's work, friends. You can see the sent message at the bottom corner. So okay, program has ended, and now just go to the Gmail, and yeah, I got the mail. This is testing. Please subscribe e-learning club. What is my body? Okay, so it's absolutely work. I will put this code inside the Telegram group and just check the link below. So thank you friends, thank you for watching this video. See you in next video. Thank you and don't forget to subscribe my channel.